Hey. I need a workshop. And the only place I have to put a workshop is here in my garage. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I converted my garage into a mostly functional workshop. So this is going to be a little bit of a weird video. This was about a 2-week process getting everything done. As you can see, there's some jankiness in the background. We'll get to that. But I've seen all of the footage and most of it is not actually usable. So what I'm going to do instead is I'll walk you through what I did and then intersperse clips that I have that are still usable. And yeah, we'll just make a little clip episode out of this one. So as you can see, I have stairs, which means I have an upstairs to my garage. And man, wouldn't that just be the best place to put a workshop? It would be, except for the fact that it will cost hundreds of dollars to just put in some flooring up there, because the spacing of the studs is a little weird and the plywood used for the flooring is extremely thin. So with that extra space, any weight causes a sagging. So it's not really even safe to walk around up there, let alone put a workbench or table saw or anything of any weight. So I started by cleaning the garage because it's essentially been a mess since we moved in about a year ago. So I started by decluttering and doing a bit of cleanup. I moved this yard tool holder thing, and it essentially got in the way of the driver's side door of my truck. So that wasn't really a workshop thing, that was a convenience thing. After the cleanup, I installed some tint on the garage door windows, and that I actually have some clips of. Can I get it to autofocus on that? No. All right, well, this is Chinese. It's in Chinese. I have no idea what it says besides Hutan. All right. So, the only work surface I have right now that's flat is the floor. Now that'll be straight adjacent. Sure. So, it's a real pain in the ass, but it works great. And then I ended up doing some unscheduled electrical work. Yeah, so just, live wire that has just been sitting out for who knows how long. It's real smart. And of course, the wiring over here has this switch. It kills all the power. So, that's pretty cool. So, we're going to turn off the breaker again and uncluster this. And that leads us back to here, where I took an old dining room table and converted it into a sort of Murphy workbench. because I didn't get it on camera when it happened. One of the crimps was not good. It was done poorly. And it busted out. And it took the other side with it. Don't mind that. That's a little practice painting with an air gun. Might be doing some book edges in the future. And yes, that is a mini fridge. No, I did not put it there. But once it gets cleaned out and it's not disgusting, I'm totally going to use it. But that will do it for this video. It has taken about 2 weeks. Planning on getting it done in one, and I was also planning on getting a bit more done. So there may be future videos or shorts polishing up this space. I do plan on doing a restoration video in the future for this old Craftsman table saw. There's going to be a 3D printing resin station back there. I have a third bench over here, and it is all dirt ground. So I may have videos of converting that space into a little bit better of like a blacksmithing area. I already have my anvil and everything here. It's just a mess out there right now. That'll do it for this one. If you have any interest in 3D printing, blacksmithing, metal casting, woodworking, whatever the hell this is, restoration, or nerdy things, subscribe. I'll definitely have more videos in the future, particularly if you're into nerdy things. I'll have a very awesome video, hopefully coming soon. So until then, bye. Whatever.